And when I say board, I mean BORED and not BOAR, because a lot of it can be very meticulous and it's a lot of information. And it sounds like what you're saying is when you're dealing with a company that has all of this under one roof, you avoid, metaphorically speaking, like a game of telephone. You know, that game of telephone where you have one person whisper it in the ear and then the next person whisper it in the other ear. And just 3 people, that message has completely changed from that first whisper. And it sounds like when you're dealing with a multidisciplinary firm that does all of this under one roof, the legal, the accounting, the insurance, information moves at the speed of light, and it reduces the chances of things getting lost in translation.
Let's be clear. I'm an attorney. Nothing moves at the speed of light. I'm poking fun at all the guys, right? Attorneys always take too long. There's always a problem. But yes, you're right. I do think consolidating it helps that pace. You know, it is the analogy on the telephone game. If I call the client and say the sky is blue, and the client calls back and says, hey, let's talk about that guy that is blue. What? We were talking about the sky, not a guy. But there's the dysfunction of the telephone game. So it's important that you get the right people on the right page. You know, there's what's the book? The right people on the right people in the right seats on the right bus. Traction. There we go. Traction. That's what I'm trying to think of. That is incredibly powerful.